Hello and welcome. And here we start with easy rocking and rolling. You see how I'm holding my knees and I'm rounding the back, slowly rocking backwards and forwards. And I'm allowing the weight of my legs to bring me into seated position. And I'm holding the knees. And your rocking and rolling might look quite different to mine. So you listen to your body. The legs don't have to go all the way back. They can stop anywhere in halasana position. You can slow it down to feel your spine unwinding. You can see how I'm folding into a seated forward bend. You can keep your legs bending. So this is really up to you. I'm just demonstrating my way of rolling and rocking in these positions. You can do the same or anything in between, whatever feels good for you. And I'm just using it as a way to land on the ground. And now I'm demonstrating a rotation through the thoracic spine by stabilizing the legs and the hips. Can you see how I'm rolling over my arms, over my chest? I'm going to let my leg begin to open so the lumbar spine comes into the picture. And I'm allowing my body to round and roll up into some kind of seated side bending situation. So I'm going through a rotation, coming back, and I'm allowing my upper body to relax. You see how the legs open, and when I open up to the second side, and then I roll forward with an empty back, empty arms, and unfold into a side bending position. So the idea is to feel, I'm just asking you to do the other side. So I'm demonstrating the same side. So I'm going to ask you to swap sides. And here we go into our rotation with the arms. And then the legs join into the rotation, bringing the lumbar spine into the picture. Roll onto the side. Back is soft and open. Legs are relaxed. Arms are empty. And we unfold into that side sitting position, not collapsing into the long leg side. Breathing. Hopefully your breathing stays the same. We don't want the breathing to be disturbed too much. And here comes our friend Chili. Chili wants to join in. I know he's going to start licking me in all sorts of interesting places in a minute. So keep on going. And here we have myself trying to roll in and out of the pose. I think Chili's going to say hello to the cameraman here. Very happy, wagging his tail. And now I'm lying on my back. And I'm going to start to roly-poly backwards and forwards once again into seated forward bend. Again, you can make any version you wish that feels comfortable for you, as long as you're not stressing and straining and pushing and pulling. Here comes Chili again. And now I'm going to land in semi-supine. And I'm going to begin to just roll from side to side, holding my knees. You'll be able to see me in a second. And I'm again rolling into this side seated position. So I've added a bit of a mobilization. So I'm rolling from side to side, and then I'm rolling back up to this side seated position. So I've added an extra pose into the sequence, holding my legs and now releasing into semi-supine. Bringing my knees towards my chest, and I'm demonstrating self-puppetry. So I'm imagining that a puppeteer person is standing at my feet, and he's lifting and bringing my arms and legs down through my ankles and through my wrists. So it feels like my legs and arms are being lifted by this imaginary puppeteer standing at my legs. And now I'm doing seaweed arms and legs, feeling where the arms and legs come from, giving my legs and arms back from this imaginary puppeteer. That's the true essence, I would say, of this approach to movement. Now I'm going to try something that's a little bit more challenging. I'm rolling onto the front of the body through my legs. So my leg is the generator of the movement and the rest of my body follows. Now my arm is generating the movement. So letting the arm roll you over. The arm is leading the movement. The rest of the body just relaxes as I practice a roll. Now the head's going to lead the movement. So you have to really engage your deep global core through the spine, and the head leads the movement. Really fun. Please don't take yourself too seriously here. Great. Roly-polying backwards and forwards. Again, this is so great to add to any part of your practice. we're going to close the class here. Thank you to you, and thanks, Chili.